Before we begin our self-publishing journey, let's take a look at some of the software you ought to download first, which will help you complete the rest of the steps in this series. If you're serious about self-publishing, I think there are 3 programs you really have to get: Microsoft Word, Adobe Acrobat, and Adobe Photoshop. Microsoft Word is absolutely essential. Of the 3 aforementioned programs, Word is undoubtedly the most important, and I don't think it's possible to self-publish without it. Adobe Acrobat allows you to make some elegant finishing touches to your book's interior, and to do so cleanly and neatly, without the risk of running into the problems you often encounter when editing large documents in Microsoft Word. It's also a very useful tool for combining your individual chapters into a single document, as we'll see later on in this series. In short, it'll save you a ton of time and headache, and I think the price is totally worth it. Adobe Photoshop will come in handy for those of you who want to put together your own covers, and for those of you who want to market your book yourself, as all self-published authors have to do if they're interested in making sales. A word of warning, Photoshop is a bit pricey. If you can't afford it and don't mind allowing someone else to make your cover for you, don't sweat it, it's not essential. In the next section, we're going to get started on preparing our book for self-publishing. See you there.